Hey guys, this is a quick video just about a couple of settings for WorkshopPay, which I think might be just interesting. If you go into integrations and go into POS integrations and WorkshopPay, this is where you set up all of your information, whether or not you're online or you're on a terminal payment. I would highly recommend that every workshop software user should have online payments. I'd highly recommend you use terminal payments as well, but you really got those opportunities where, you want to send an online payment to somebody, they can pay, you can send it via email or via SMS or text message. And I think that's a really cool way of getting people to pay. In fact, the Moto option where you manually enter in credit card details, to be honest, is not cool. You shouldn't be doing that. You run a risk of, if there's a dispute on a Moto transaction, you're almost certain to lose the dispute. So the online payments are all much secure, and it's highly unlikely, because we use a 3D secure high security with WorkshopPay, the likelihood of you losing a dispute is very low. But the other thing, most of the team that set this up for you will pretty much help you with setting this side of it up. But the thing that I also wanted to show you was just under the accounting integrations that you can also on-charge the surcharge, and you can set up in here the surcharge account. And so you can see that this is allocated to a specific sales account. So for WorkshopPay, you can automatically allocate a surcharge account. So if you're using surcharges, and you can set up whatever surcharge you want, that surcharge will go to this WorkshopPay surcharge account in your accounting system. This is setting for 0. Same applies to QuickBooks or 0 for MYOB. So yeah, just a couple of quick settings there that I think might have been useful for you. So all the best with your WorkshopPay journey.